It's 5 o'clock.
Thanks. I almost slept through happy hour.
Where's my little girl?
You're not back yet?
Why else would I be here?
Honestly, I was thinking happy hour. Let me give Jake a call, see what's keeping him.
Yeah, you do that.
Try calling your daughter?
She left her cell phone at the house.
Kids, huh? It's ringing.
Yo, bitch, I'm gonna slap you up. Yo, bitch, I'll slap you up. Yo, bitch, I'm gonna slap you up. Yo, bitch,
Oh, that's unfortunate on so many levels.